Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my YouTube channel Dress Type Beauty Fashion 1M with the latest and new collection of Hussain rehar. Graciously crafted brown ensemble engraved with intricate details and delicate work in the front with a dupatta that has exquisite embroidery and borders makes it a statement for the next wedding season. An absolute elegant raw silk black shirt with a heavily embroidered and embellished front and tassels, adding to the detail and exquisitely of the fit. It's paired with churidar pajama and a beautiful green dupatta filled with sequin chata and embroidered and embellished borders. Pair our signature Hussain rehar bag with it to complete this gorgeous outfit. An exquisite affair of lime yellow and pink, the sleekness of long raw silk shirt adorned with embellishments, kardana along with sequins, nakshi and pipe. A box plate in the middle of the shirt, giving it an extravagant fall and making it look glamorous. In addition to this element of tassels, cuff on the sleeves provide an outclass finish to the shirt. The satin silk pink shawl lined with a shade of lime yellow gives a look of absolute completion to the outfit. A carrot pink bra silk long shirt highlighted with a alluring neckline made with sequins and embellished motifs with silver sequins. Teamed up with palazzo pants that has similar intricate sequin work, it has beautiful organza dupatta with embellished borders on all four sides. An exquisite affair of hot pink and tail, the sleekness of long raw silk shirt adorned with embellishments of ice blue, pink, orange, mustard and green kardana along with sequins, nakshi and pipe. A box plate in the middle of the shirt, giving it an extravagant fall and making it look glamorous. In addition to this, the elements of tassels and cuffs on the sleeves provide an outclass finish to the shirt. The satin silk hot pink shawl lined with a shade of pale blue gives a look of absolute completion to the outfit. An exceptionally curated raw silk short shirt intricately embellished with sequins. It's paired with grey raw silk palazzo pants with organza dupatta embellished on all four sides beautifully. Its elegance is praiseworthy entirely. A teal raw silk long shirt with a beautifully neckline made with sequins and border of the shirt heavily embellished with silver sequins. The palazzo pants that's paired with this outfit also has similar intricate sequence work. It has a beautiful flowy organza dupatta with borders on all four sides. A light green raw silk long shirt with a beautiful neckline made with sequins and border of the shirt heavily embellished with silver sequins. The palazzo pants that's paired with this outfit also has similar intricate sequence work. It has a beautiful flowy organza dupatta with borders on all four